Love you, Cancer. Let's see what's in for your daily readings today. This is your general reading for you, Cancer. This is your career card for you, and this is your relationship card for you. Let's open your general energy, and it says not for you. Let's see what it says. There are times when it appears that no matter how deeply you desire something, no matter how hard you work at something, the result you seek always seems to elude you. It's as if you don't really get to be in the game, and you feel you are just watching from the sidelines. The appearance of this card indicates that you are not going to attain what you want right now. That indeed your dreams for that exact thing will not be fulfilled. This is a time to radically accept that not everything is available to you when you want it. Take heart, for there are benevolent forces who desire the best for you and have a much clearer idea of what is for your highest good. Rejection is God's protection. Something much better that will make you truly happy is on its way. Trust this, Cancer. This is your general energy for you, Cancer. Let's open your career card and see what it says. It says imagine. Let's see. This is a powerful time to get clear on how you create your prosperity, what it means to you to be prosperous, and what attributes you need to develop in yourself to make things happen. Who do you need to be to live when your dreams? Can you imagine the kind of life you desire? Really imagine it. Without holding back the sheer force of your powers of creativity. If you can envision it, you can have it. Get ready, for prosperity is waiting for you to claim it now. Act as if your dreams really will come true. And that's your career reading for you, Cancer. Let's open your love reading. This is your love card, and let's see what it says. Why? It says why, and let's see what's in there. We don't always know why we engage in our relationships in the way we do, mostly because our feelings aren't always logical. Now is the time to recognize whether you are being triggered by someone else or if your behavior is motivated by unresolved issues in the past. When you ask yourself, why am I feeling like this? And why did I say that? And spend some time in introspection, and answers may be surprising. Cancer, listen to the messages from your intuition, from the knowing deep within you. What does it tell you about yourself and others? In the end, life is all about being loved, miracles, and a deep understanding of your needs and how to get them met, or the buried treasures of the why. Uncover them by posing the most powerful question you can ask yourself and your partner today: why? And that's your love reading for you, Cancer. This is your daily readings for you, Cancer. I'll see you tomorrow with another reading. Have a lovely day. Take care. Love you all.